Job 38, verse 31 to 32. Book of Job in the Bible was written between the 7th and 3rd centuries BCE, with the 6th century BCE as the most likely period. Job 38, verse 31 to 32 is part of a larger passage where God responds to Job out of a whirlwind, questioning him to demonstrate the vastness of God's knowledge and power compared to human understanding. These verses specifically mention constellations and celestial phenomena, showcasing the beauty and complexity of the universe that humans are only beginning to understand. The verse is read, "Can you bind the chains of the Pleiades or loose the cords of Orion? Can you lead forth the Mazzaroth in their season? Or can you guide the bear with its children?" Now start by examining Job 38 verse 31 to 32 through the lens of Bible. Verse 31, "Can you bind the chains of the Pleiades? Can you loosen Orion's belt?" Here, God challenges Job by referencing the constellations, Pleiades and Orion. The Pleiades, often described as a cluster of stars, and Orion, noted for its distinct belt of 3 stars, are used metaphorically. God is asking Job if he can control or influence these celestial bodies, emphasizing the immense power and order that God exercises over the cosmos, which is beyond human ability or comprehension. Verse 32, "Can you bring forth the constellations in their seasons or lead out the bear with its cubs?" This verse continues with the theme of cosmic phenomena. The constellations in their seasons refers to the apparent movement of star groups across the sky throughout the year, governed by celestial mechanics. These verses, like much of the book of Job, focus on the grandeur of creation and the Creator's unfathomable control over it. They serve to humble Job, reminding him and the readers of the finite nature of human knowledge and the infinite nature of divine wisdom. Now let's see Job 38, verse 31 to 32, through the lens of 21st century science, particularly in the fields of astronomy and astrophysics, brings a new depth to the text, blending with biblical verses with modern understanding of celestial mechanics and the structure of the universe. Here's how these verses align with contemporary scientific insights. Orion's belt. This refers to the 3 bright stars that form a line in the Orion constellation. Modern science explains that these stars Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka are massive blue supergiants, which are hot and young in stellar terms. They are part of the Orion molecular cloud complex, a region of active star formation. Loosening these stars would involve changing their gravitational interactions or physical placement, a feat not achievable with current human capabilities and likely never possible. Verse 32, "Can you bring forth the constellations in their seasons or lead out the bear with its cubs?" Constellations in their seasons. This phrase reflects an understanding of the Earth's orbital dynamics. As Earth orbits the Sun, different constellations become visible at different times of the year. This apparent movement is a result of our perspective from the Earth's surface as it moves through space, a phenomenon well explained by heliocentric theories and observable by anyone watching the night sky through the seasons. The bear with its cubs. Scientifically, this refers to the constellations Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. Ursa Major includes the well-known Big Dipper asterism, and Ursa Minor contains Polaris, the North Star. These constellations are crucial for navigation and are a part of the circumpolar group, visible all year from northern latitudes. The motion described lead out is due to Earth's axial rotation and its orbital motion around the Sun, showcasing the diurnal and annual cycles. In 21st century science, these descriptions underscore not only the complexity and majesty of the universe, but also highlight human limitations in manipulating or controlling cosmic and celestial structures. The ongoing advances in astrophysics further expand our understanding of the universe's dynamics, but also affirm the vast scale and intricacies that are beyond human intervention as suggested in these verses. This intersection of biblical text interpretation and modern scientific knowledge enriches our appreciation of both the literary and the empirical exploration of our world. Hipparchus 100 BC. Hipparchus is famous for creating what is believed to be the first map of the stars more than 2,000 years ago. Researchers estimate his observations of the sky were mapped around 129 BC. In 129 BC, the ancient Greek astronomer Hipparchus is believed to have created the world's first star catalog and map of the night sky. However, the catalog was thought to have vanished in antiquity. In October 2022, researchers published their findings in the Journal for the History of Astronomy that they had discovered part of the map in a medieval manuscript. The manuscript, called the Codex Climaci Rescriptus, is a palimpsest, meaning it was reused by erasing the original writing and writing over it. The researchers used multispectral imaging to reveal numbers that state the length and width of the constellation Corona Borealis in degrees, as well as coordinates. Johannes Kepler, an astronomer born in 1571, used Tycho Brahe's astronomical observations to develop his three laws of planetary motion in the 1600s. First law: planets move in elliptical orbits with the sun at one focus. Second law: planets sweep out equal areas in equal times as they orbit the sun. Third law: the squares of the times it takes to complete one orbit are proportional to the cubes of the average distances from the sun. In 1928, Belgian astronomer Eugene Joseph Delporte (1882–1955) was awarded the Prix Agathon de Potter by the Royal Academy of Belgium at the age of 46. He also discovered the asteroid 1120 Neith at the Royal Observatory of Belgium in Uccle on September 17, 1928. In 1928, the International Astronomical Union (IAU) officially adopted Delporte's constellation boundaries, which were published in 1930. Delporte discovered 66 asteroids in total, including 1050 to Belgica in 1925 and 1068 Nefertiti in 1926. Conclusion: Job 38 verse 31 to 32 serves as a remarkable bridge connecting ancient wisdom with modern scientific discovery. These verses remind us of humanity's long-standing fascination with the cosmos and our continual quest to understand the vast, starry sky above us. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe with modern technology, stay curious and continue to marvel at the night sky, just as the ancients did. Join us next time for more explorations at the nexus of history, science, and the cosmos. See you among the stars. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the stars and the ages. If you're intrigued by the blend of ancient texts and celestial exploration, like, share, and subscribe for more content that reaches beyond our world. Until next time, keep looking up and questioning as we carry forward the legacy of those who first named the stars.